Thanks for being with us today. Remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And remember to hit the bell for notifications. See you soon. Bye.
So we're out here in the warmer weather in Arizona. We're getting ready to do the front doors to cover up our front electrical, so it's not all just hanging out. We kind of, you can see the arch in this. We tapered it to match our ceiling. So that'd be our frame kind of right there. And we'll do the Craig joints in the corner. And then these got little notches in them, but there'll be two doors kind of like that, and the little notches is so this, we're going to take this metal and cut it to size, and so it's actually going to fit down in that notch.
So we can hang our magnets on it.
And that'll actually be on the back side, so you won't see none of that. But that'll go in that notch there, and then the end will go over here, and then we'll do some kind of design on it and hang all our magnets on it. That's kind of where we're at right now. We got one on the side to do, but I figured I'd get this one done first and see how it goes, because they're in a corner, so you don't want one door hitting the other door when you open it. So that's what we got going.
The doors are going to look nice. And they're going to have metal in the openings so that we can attach our magnets that we get while traveling to it. Looking pretty nice. Love the way the doors turned out, and the magnets work perfectly up there. And Alan's going to be working on that next. He's actually going to be putting all the switches in a piece of wood to cover up that area.
This is our door that's actually going to mount with all of our controls. There's two actuators for our solar and for our bed, so they'll go here. And then our big switch control thing, I think it's got 6 switches, 8 switches, I don't know. Will get cut in here. And then I need some more measurements because we got the thermostat and a couple other things that are going down here. And what this is made to where when the door opens up, it'll be on a hinge and you'll be able to get to all the wiring in the back of it. They're going to be long enough to where you can just open it up and get to the back of it. And they'll be permanently mounted so they won't fall and hit you in the head anymore.
That's a good idea.
So that's what we're working on. We got a potluck we're going to. We made like a chicken stew, maybe, I guess it'd be called. So we're getting ready to take it down because the potluck's in about 15 minutes. So this is our holes that we cut in for all the different components. Switches, monitors, water heater startups, whatever. So they're all go in there, and then the thermostat goes on here, and a carbon monoxide detector and all that. So I'm going to mount the hinge on it, and then we'll take it inside and see about mounting it up and getting the switches mounted in.
Well, time's getting short, and we gotta go. So we'll catch you on the next one. Bye.
Thanks again for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And remember to hit the bell for notifications.